Justin the Bear here at Disney's
Polynesian Resort.
We're going to take you around and show the grounds.
If you want Dole Whip in the parks, you can get them at Polynesian. It's a really good dinner show. It's one of two that they have here at the resort area, including Hoopty, which is also a fun one, but this one is more entertaining, I think, than Hoopty, but the food is better at Hoopty. Back on our favorite swing.
Yes, we are. But you know, we like it when you swing with us.
Yeah.
So, we're here walking around Polynesian. It's definitely one of the more relaxing Disney resorts.
Yes.
You have the Seven Seas Lagoon, you have little mini beaches with swings and lawn chairs, and their pool even has a hot tub where you can like sit and view the fireworks.
Mm-hmm.
I think the only thing this hotel is missing is hammocks. A lot of the other beach resorts have hammocks for you to. There's none here at all.
There used to be some here.
I thought there was.
I feel like it was before they put up the fencing, which
we don't talk about.
it used to be a full beach that went into the lake, but we know, events happen.
Yes, they do. It's nice.
It's like, it starts at like 5:30 at night, I think.
The problem is, and people ask, it's always worth staying on Disney property, is that the grounds of the hotel are what makes the resort.
And the perks. I love online
but
check-in.
Most of the rooms are rather basic.
They're very basic, unless you get like a suite.
Yeah. And that's when you're talking about like super money.
Like at least $1,000 to $1,200 a night.
Otherwise, you're getting the same thing you'd get in an off-site hotel or resort.
For
is
half the price.
a bed, a TV, a bathroom,
refrigerator.
sometimes jacuzzi tub, very rare on Disney property, but
And no microwave in your room.
and no microwave in your room. Now they have microwaves usually in some of the like little drink stations that you can
The
use.
quick service stores, or all the quick service locations at the resorts usually have a microwave. So you can walk out of your room in the middle of the night when you want your leftovers from eating at a Disney restaurant and go to the quick service at freaking 2 o'clock in the morning and try to heat up your food. I did that successfully once at Port Orleans.
It all kind of depends. Like, if you like the convenience of being on a resort and, you know, gathering your herd and going to the parks, staying in a resort works because you don't have to drive. You can hop on a bus, or in this case, you can hop on a boat or the monorail and go right into the park. A lot less hassle when you're trying to wrangle your entire family to go one place. Now, if you're like us, you know, millennials with no kids, there's really no difference for us, especially as pass holders, staying off-site or on-site. Yeah, you get the magic hours, but...
And the magic bands that you get for free anyway as a pass holder.
Yeah, but...
But that online check-in, though.
Yeah, you can do online check-in
spoiled.
at a lot of different resorts. They have apps that you can do that for. Marriott has one.
Yeah, but
Hyatt has one.
Not one that links to all of my magic bands, so I could literally switch any magic band that I want at any time to match all of my outfits, and they all work for the door. I don't have to worry about losing a key.
Minor perk. But for the rest of it, if you can deal with driving the 10 minutes it takes to get here from like one of the nearest off-site hotels, you can do that. Save yourself a ton of money.
It's true.
The resorts are nice. But, I mean, if you really want to come to a resort, you can get a reservation and pretty much go to any resort hotel to hang out and have a drink or even just grab dinner. Like, you don't have to stay at the resort to come here. It's nice to treat yourself every now and then, but if you're trying to save a buck, you're not missing that much.
No.
Anything that you want to do, you can probably still do.
Yep.
So, well, I guess we're off to show you the rest of the resort.